Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this nice looking earbuds. It is called Q2 Pro and is done by a company called SuperEQ. This earbuds is Bluetooth 5.2 and on top of that they have everything set up nicely. Doesn't matter if you require to ask for help, they have a perfect phone numbers and email addresses and they can get to you very quickly. On top of that, it has a really good voice to this earbuds and the touch part works accurately. I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family and make sure click the notification icon, select all in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. So here you go. This is how the box really looks. When you look in the bottom, it has more information. On top of that, if you look on one side of it, it has some information about the touchpad, battery life, and more. On the other side of it, it just have their name. Once we slowly open the box and take everything out one by one, here are all the components that are part of the box. It comes with this user guide and it is been created really nicely. It's big enough for you to learn everything inside of it. That's not the only thing. It comes in 3 different languages and it goes on the English part on how everything looks, what's included in the box, how you're going to be able to charge it, and also how you're going to be able to wear it, how you can turn it on and off. Also pairing mode and controls. Going next will be in a different language. It's about 10 pages for English, which is really cool. And when you go to the back, it has their information in the back. It comes with some ear tips. Now these ones are made so if you need a bigger one or a smaller one, this will really help you out. If you need a replacement, this will really help you out. It also comes with another little plastic and inside of it you will find your charger. I really like this because this is USB 2.0 going to USB Type-C. So that means is your docking station will be charged faster. And then comes the actual docking station. They have placed this together really nicely. It has a little plastic that you have to rip out and there you go. That's how it is opening. And then the docking station itself looks pretty nice. On the top you have their name and then going to the front part of it you have that little nice cut and then you have 3 little dots that will tell you how much charge it has, and then going around it you have a nice cut going to the back. You have a nice hinge and also the USB Type-C charging port is there. Going on sides of it there's nothing, but when you go to the bottom you have a nice writing that will tell you exactly how much requires for it to be charged. But this is how the docking station looks. Now when you open it is where you're going to see the earbuds. It's already sitting in the inside and it has a little marking that will tell you right and left. Going on the top part of it there's nothing there, but let's just take these out. And yes, it's there. Now when you open it, it usually should tell you exactly how much charge it have, but when you close it, it looks like this is fully charged. Now taking a look on the actual earbuds, it's designed really nicely. I really like that little gold circle around and also the sign that is inside of it for their company name, which is SuperEQ. I really like that. And then going to the back part of it, yes, it has a little film so that we're not going to using the docking station charge. So that way you can charge it. You just have to take the film out. And now the same thing for the other ear, but that is, it will give you a nice writing saying this is the right. And then you have those little parts for charging. The part that goes inside of your ear, the little ear tip, and then going around, it's really nicely designed. So there's a little sensor, but going to the bottom is going to see the mic. We will test these out in a few seconds. And there's another sensor right over here, which looks really nice. Now same thing for the other ear, it really designed nicely. Same thing with the mic, going on the other side of it, touch sense, and then going, taking out the little film. And now you will be able to charge it when you put it back in your docking station. The little sign that says L, and then the little part for the charger, and then the ear tip that goes inside of your ear. So we will test out in a couple of seconds. Let's go next. Now in order to get this connected, make sure that your phone is on. Scroll down, doesn't matter Apple or Android. In this case, I'm using my Note 9, and I have to go to my Bluetooth. And as soon as you take it out, you can see that the first one is blinking. That means it is looking for it to be paired. So you have to click on scan, and then it goes through and it finds your earbuds, and it's right over here. It's called SuperEQ Q2 Pro. Just click on it, and then it's going to be able to connect. So that's what we're waiting for this to be connected. And there you go. Now it says to connect, press OK, and it goes through to connect. That's beautiful. So right now it says calls and audio are connected. All right, so this is our own video that is playing on YouTube. So what you need to do is you have to tap it one time and it pauses. Now when you tap it one more time, it plays it again. The best part is that if you tap it twice, it changes the video to a different video, which is really cool. So if you keep doing that, it goes through different videos. That is awesome on how this has been created. Now, if you want to go back a video, you have to do the same thing on your left side of the ear, so that way it can happen. But this is how easy it is to process and play with your earbuds. All right. So now, right now, we didn't start the recording. So the sound that you hear is from our camera. And let's go through and click record. And here you go. This is how it will sound when you are talking on this mic and on this earbuds. So this is how it will be showing to you guys that how clean it is. But I have to mention that the noise cancellation already kicked in and I can hear my own voice. That is a little bit different than the other earbuds that I have played with, but it is not bad when you are listening to it. So let's just switch back to this camera and see the difference is how clear it will be when you're talking to this camera or talking to the actual earbuds. And let's just switch back to the earbuds, and this is how earbuds sounds. So again, this is not bad when it comes to talking to the phone, and I'm sure that it sounds very clear and you're going to like it. Enough said about it. Let's go back into our video. Now I have to mention that this earbuds is not only going to bring you the noise cancellation, but it also allowing you to use it for up to 8 hours. And then you can charge it again and it will last you up to 30 hours. I really like that little touch that they have done is when you're hooking it up to the charger, it's USB Type-C, so it charges a lot faster. When you're listening to the music, it brings the actual depth of the music for you. It has the noise cancellation. That's where it's going to fall a little bit back. So you cannot just take this and walk outside and listen to music. But if you want to work out, this is perfect. This will really work out for you. And when you are listening to a music, you want to sit somewhere, this will do the job for you perfectly. Except that this is not a 10 out of 10. For me, this is about 7.2 or 7.5 maximum that I can give this. But when it comes to latency, it doesn't have that much latency. When you want to press something, play, and then getting it to your ear, it's very, very quick. Just like how we showed you when we were trying to pause a video and we were playing. It's exactly the same is how fast it will really work for you when you're listening to the music. I really like this. This was our take. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.